right, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna jump right into this video. I am starting by really saturating Isaiah's hair with water. I do not wash his hair at every bath time. I probably wash it every week and a half or so, but I start by using a lot of water in his head, and he's pretty used to it, as you can see by now. This just really loosens up all of the dirt, the food, whatever is in his hair, and really loosens up his strands as well. And you'll end up using a little bit less shampoo I end up using a little bit less shampoo whenever I do this process first.
Feel cutie, our friend, but I want to see your day, all day.
Alright, so I don't use any kitty shampoos and kitty kitty products in Isaiah's hair. This day I used the TGIN Moisture shampoo, but the reason why I stopped doing that was simply because I never found anything that I liked for his hair, for his type for children's hair, and everything just seemed to make it dry, and I wasn't gonna keep spending all that money. So I just use whatever I use for my hair, I use for his. So this particular day I had to double cleanse, which is something I don't do often either, just because I just don't want too much shampoo to dry out his hair, and he doesn't have that much hair. So one shampoo is more than enough 9 times out of 10. So I really take this time to really shampoo his hair very well, very thoroughly, and you can tell he's pretty used to our routine by now. He knows when to tilt his head back, he knows when to close his eyes, and all that great stuff. I also try to add in as much toys as possible just to keep him busy, because little people don't like to get their hair washed. So you've got to just take your time with them and keep it consistent as well. So he has gotten used to this routine because I have kept it consistent, and he's pretty much always had a good amount of hair on his head, as you can see. And since we are continuing to grow his hair out, I do feel it's important to make sure his hair is kept up. Just because he's a little black boy does not mean that he does not need the same treatment and conditioning and all that great stuff that girls get as well. So yeah, anyways, I'm using a deep conditioner on his head at the moment right here. I like to just make sure I stick with a super thick conditioner, so this one by Shea Moisture is great. I don't do this often. I'm only doing it today simply because it's been a while and his hair just felt like he could use the little extra moisture conditioning, whatever you want to call it, because it's been a hot minute since I had washed his hair. So again, a deep conditioner is not a necessity, but it's nice to give him this treatment every so often and just really take the time to massage it through and really get each and every strand, or as much as I possibly could. So after that, I'm just gonna rinse it out, and then we will move on to the next part. Alright guys, so I did drain his tub, add fresh water, and rinse his hair as well with some fresh clean water, and now I am just detangling it with this Denman brush, and I'm going rather quickly because he hates me doing this. He just hates when I do it, and I don't blame him. Detangling is not fun for me, and so it's definitely not going to be fun for a 3-year-old, but it must be done. Alright guys, so I always use a leave-in conditioner after washing his hair. This one was from Allicate Naturals. It's definitely not my favorite, but I gotta use it up. I can't let stuff go to waste. So next I'm taking some sponge cream, and I will put these down below. I purchased them at my local beauty supply store, so I'll put it down below. And this particular day he was in his pajamas, but I wasn't sure if we were going anywhere else, so I just decided to style his hair just a little bit. So you just want to take the cream, whatever sponge cream you want, and then take the half-eaten sponge. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, but anyways, you want to use the smaller side, or whatever side is necessary for the length of hair your little baby has, and you just want to go all around in circles. I do this for a few minutes, just going all around, and you will see his curls, his hair start to clump up. I did not need them as tight or anything like that because I wasn't sure we were going anywhere, and so yeah. So then I just took a little bit of oil and top his hair with that, did the sponge again, and that's pretty much it, you guys, for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.
Thank you for watching.